Well, good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. Whatever time it is in your area, it's Big Matt here. And no, I'm not doing another food review, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of update on what's been going on. I still read the comments, and people ask about me. I am fine. My health is great. I just had a cardio. My surgeon, my heart surgeon, wanted to do a heart cath just to see how, because it's been 8 years since I had the last one, and since he put in new valves and stents and everything, he wanted to go in himself. He usually lets his students do those cardio caths, but he wanted to have, he wanted to do it himself to see with his own eyes how his work is holding up, and it's he was worried that there would be um, some deterioration, some leakage, that kind of thing. But he had a surgical team prepared just in case he has to do surgery that same day. And lo and behold, everything was normal. It was great report. He says it's just as great looking as it was the day he put it in. No leakage, no nothing. So great report there. So with that being said, I've been working on some uh, like a short story kind of thing. Yes, it is done with AI, but it's a fan film, my first ever, about a minute and a half, about a couple minutes long, and it's going to be coming up soon, probably within the next couple of days or so after I've finished editing it. So, yeah, like I said, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for your prayers, your support, and everybody who supported me through the years. Um, Looking forward for great things to come. Uh, Appreciate those. I hope you stick around and watch that next video. You guys have a great day.